Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to disable notification sound for all apps or particular apps in Windows 11 running computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the settings application and now just select this system, and now on the right side you will see a notification option. Just click on it. Now here you will see notification, just click on it. Now you will see here the third option, allow notification to play sounds. So by default this option will be turned on, and in order to disable notification sound for all apps you can just untick it, and if you want to disable only for particular application then just enable this option again. And now just scroll down below and we'll see all the applications. So say I want to disable the notification sounds only for this particular application, then just click on it. And now you will see here one option, play a sound when a notification arrives. So you can disable it, then only the notification sound for this particular application will be disabled. So by using these two methods you can easily disable notification sounds for all apps or particular apps in Windows 11 running computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.